Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Google Earth Voyager feature. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your account with your email or of course Google account. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left side of the screen, we have the view, we have file view, we have the add, we have the tools and the help button. But now guys, of course, and we have the search bar here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the Google Earth Voyager feature. So Google Earth Voyager feature is a fantastic way to explore the world through interactive guide tours. And here's how you can do it. First of all, open Google Earth, so launch Google Earth on your computer or mobile device, as we've done now. Then access Voyager, look for the icon that resembles a ship wheel in the menu bar and click on it. So we here need to you need to go and find a ship wheel. After you have done that, explore categories. Voyager offers various categories such as nature, culture, travel, and education. Also, then each tour includes a mix of 3D views, street views, images, videos, and you can navigate through these elements to learn more about different places and topics. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.